Today we've got something truly special in store for you, a guide to conquering the YouTube game. Now let's talk about one of the most critical steps to success on YouTube, defining your niche. Finding your niche is like laying the foundation for your channel. It helps you attract the right audience and build a loyal community. So let's dive into it. Defining your niche means identifying a specific topic or theme that your channel will focus on. It's about finding what you're passionate about and what you genuinely enjoy creating content about. Your niche should reflect your unique perspective and personality, setting you apart from other creators. Take some time to explore your interests and skills. Ask yourself what you're passionate about, what topics you could talk about for hours, and what brings you joy. Remember, being authentic and genuinely interested in your niche will resonate with your viewers. Now I'll share 3 key considerations when defining your niche. Audience interest. First, consider whether there's an audience interested in your chosen niche. Do some research to see if there's demand for the content you want to create. Use YouTube's search bar to look for related videos, and check if they have a substantial number of views and engagement. Next is uniqueness and differentiation. Second, think about how you can bring a unique perspective to your niche. Find your own voice and angle, something that sets you apart from other creators in the same space. Your personality and style are what will make your channel stand out. Long-term sustainability. Lastly, consider the long-term sustainability of your chosen niche. Think about whether you'll be able to create content consistently and passionately about this topic for months or even years. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment and evolve your niche as you grow and learn. Your niche isn't set in stone, but it serves as a compass guiding you through your YouTube journey. So there you have it. Defining your niche is the first step towards success on YouTube. Find what you're passionate about, ensure there's an audience for it, and make your content unique. Let your creativity shine and enjoy the process of sharing your passion with the world. Keep creating and never stop exploring new possibilities. Your journey to success starts right here, right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. That way you won't miss out on our future videos, where we'll be sharing even more tips for YouTube success.